Welcome to this slingshotoptions.com overview and review of the FIBFOE2 swing trading strategy. This is a swing trading strategy based on day bars as versus or in comparison to a micro swing scenario or things we are doing with option strategy or binary options with Nadex. This is for swing trading day bars, and it's a pretty fantastic and kind of mind-blowing type of scenario that we've come across using this approach. Now, we are using a particular indicator that involves Fibonacci's, as well, you can probably tell, and we've taken this approach with this method that's pretty. I already said mind-blowing. I don't know what else to say. It's pretty freaky, actually, how price ends up coordinating and intersecting across time according to a certain matrix. And what this approach to swing trading does is it starts to crack the code open for this price action matrix across time. And what you'll be having now is a method of anticipating also these great, very high probability swing trading opportunities. Let's go check out a little bit more. Now you can see here on the presentation page here at Slingshot Options, the FIBFOE2, it's a strategy, and this strategy means what? That means that you have an opportunity to place this at will and pick and choose and look to take optimal points in time and coordinate that with other factors you may know. That means it has flexibility. And with FIBFOE2, you have a flexibility and an almost money on demand type of concept, whereas the opportunity is that strong. Each trade has such a strong probability for making a nice swing, and not just a swing, but a nice swing that this is a great method to trade. Now, it involves using the tool FibFans. I think it was mentioned here. All right, and we use these FibFans in a very creative way. We found some secrets with them, and by learning this method, you will then understand and be able to use these secrets for your own trading. Now, you can see some performance samples here. This method is done by the drawing session. But then again, we can also, as we'll teach you in the course, have we can start to develop a matrix through the complete use of the tool, and I'll show you that. And also by using the matrix, you'll discover what trades can tend to be stronger candidates for the bigger explosive swings than others. All right, so here's a 3.5 month run on Apple. Now, of course, next to Amazon's points, it doesn't seem like a lot, but it is, and you can actually find more swings. But the objective is not to just have a bunch of swings for the sake of it. I mean, there are only so many swings that will happen during a period of time. You want the good swings. You see what I mean? And you can see here, some are smaller, but a lot of these swings are the good swings. 6 points, 6 points, 6 points, 4. And you hear over in Amazon, 83 point, 32, 16, and you see here that the winning percentage is pretty high. And on this sample, what we present here is looking at all the trades. So it's kind of a systematic representation of the strategy, which means that we're showing all the trades. If you went 1, 2, 3, 4, next, without any sort of optimization, this is what we're showing you. So that's even more powerful, because if we showed you pick and chosen trades, then what kind of representation is that? Your picking and choosing may be different than ours. So you will need to understand that, hey, what if you just take them all? You'll need to understand the power of the method, and here's the power of the method. All right, so this is to expand your understanding of price action. First of all, that's huge value on its own. Then to understand how to react in and start to crack the code of this matrix of price action is extremely valuable. And this strategy alone is very powerful. I would definitely learn this one. So add to your arsenal, and it just gives you an opportunity. It just gives you opportunity all over the place with not only just opportunity, but some of the juiciest swings. All right, and they're highly motivated. So that's about it with this overview and review. And so, I can tell you about this product because I made it. So I hope you appreciate it. And if you're interested, just scroll down below and you click add to cart. And if you have any questions, let us know. But it's it's pretty straightforward. All right, thanks.